Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you are new to the channel, I am all about stocks and crypto. My name is Jonathan. The channel name is Reviews for Success. I like to review new tech, and I also love to talk about investing and where money is moving. Well, anyways, today we're covering the latest updates on the stock market and cryptocurrency. So if you want to make money, this is the channel for you. If you made money today, though, let me know in the comments. Let me know where did you make your money? You don't have to tell me how much. You can if you want, but let me know in the comments if you made money. And we'll dive into how the market has performed, key trends you should watch, and what it means for investors. Stay tuned to the end for actionable tips. To navigate these exciting, unpredictable times. Now let's get started. So, with the recent surge of the election, the S&P 500 had a crazy move to the upside. Let's talk about the major indices. So, right now, the Dow right here is down. The Dow was down yesterday. It's been down for the past 3 days now, since Friday. It's down at 43K 449. It's down negative 0.61. And this right here is not a surprise. The market is trying to shape up because there are some big things that are coming up. Remember, the inauguration is nearly in a month, on January 21st, I believe. The S&P 500 fell minus 0.39, guys. This is probably one of the first days I've seen it in the red. 6,050.60. Kind of a surprise, but not really. Nvidia's been falling for the past 2-3 weeks now, and Nvidia is one of the major companies that the S&P 500 holds. And the Nasdaq Composite is also down minus 0.32% at 20,109.06. So they dipped a little bit. Even ETFs like the SPY showed a decline, 0.43%, guys. The SPY. This is the actual heat map right here. And as you all can see, there's predominantly red coloring everywhere. You barely see green. You see green right here at Tesla. Tesla made some crazy moves. It's been making moves for the past 3-4 weeks now. It's almost like Tesla is unstoppable. But again, this is a stock market, so nothing is predictable, and stocks will move however they want. But what's driving these changes? We all have our eyes on the Federal Reserve's upcoming meeting. That's what's driving these changes right here, guys. Markets are pricing in a potential quarter point rate cut, but the Fed's guidance is expected to remain hawkish. This anticipation has kept investors cautious, especially in the tech sector, which saw notable declines today. Nvidia, like I said, was down minus 1.22%. Broadcom, they're actually down today, minus 3.91%. They've been up for the past, 3-5 days? Look at the finance side. They're back in the red again. It seemed as if the finance side was making a little come up yesterday. It seemed like the majority of the finance stocks were neutral and a lot of them were green. But tech took a big hit. Apple held strong. Microsoft held strong. The only one that's not so red is health and technology. They're pretty neutral green. You see a little bit red right here, but for the most part, they held up. Consumer durables, Tesla's holding down, and everything else is red, as you all can see. So, in summary, today's markets reflects the ongoing tug of war between optimism around easing rates and concerns over slower economic growth. Now, let's take a look at cryptocurrencies, guys. As we all know, Bitcoin has been making crazy moves since the election. They had all-time highs today again, I believe. So they're currently trading at 106,349.21. They were at 108 today, guys. I saw the chart and I was like, oh my gosh, let me open it up for you guys so that way you all can see. So crypto, I'm going to open up the crypto Bitcoin chart so that way you all can actually see through the screen. I don't want to just say, I want you all to actually see what's going on. So my computer is acting a little bit slow right now. So please bear with me. I apologize about the hold up, guys. All right, so Bitcoin, here we go. Bitcoin, go get your Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Can y'all believe Bitcoin was worth like 1 cent at one point? Can y'all believe that? All right, I'm gonna hopefully this is the right one. There's so many Bitcoin. Okay, hopefully this is the right one. But yeah, check this out. Look, they were at 108,000 guys today. This was around 925, literally right before the stock market opened up. They were at 108. And on the other side, Ethereum, they're down minus 2.42%, guys. So they had a slight drop. And honestly, this is how the market is going to go. Like I said, you never know, and this is healthy for the market. Just because things are looking down right now, that doesn't mean that the economy is just so horrible. This is healthy. You shouldn't see an upwards trend every day. If things are moving like that, then something's fishy, because everyone is not balling out here like that. All right, so for the most part, Bitcoin continues to be a focal point as it edges closer to 100,000 mark, a psychological milestone for many investors. The volatility, however, remains high. Regulatory uncertainty and shifting market sentiment have kept traders on edge. So I think Bitcoin may reach 120,000 by the inauguration, because remember what happened when the inauguration happened. Bitcoin had a crazy spike. So if I open up the 3 month chart, I'll do 3 month. Look at what happened at the inauguration. If you saw what happened, you know. I'm gonna show y'all. So before the inauguration, November 4th, Bitcoin was around 69,000. The election happened, and they were all the way up here. Look at that, guys. They went up here, went up here. They're still moving up, and now look, they're at 108 now. They're currently trading at 105 at the time of this recording, but these are crazy moves. They had a dip right here, a buying opportunity right here at 90K that I hope you guys took advantage of. That was about 11, 12 days ago. And Ethereum, on the other hand, continues to benefit from its strong ecosystem with decentralized finance. And for anyone investing in crypto, it's essential to remember that these markets trade 24/7. So that's why these numbers are constantly moving while I'm speaking. It's pretty much open all day. So remember that, and they can shift dramatically overnight. So be cautious of that. Just because Bitcoin seems like it's down right now, that doesn't mean that it will be down like that tomorrow. By the time you wake up, it'll probably be at 110. We don't know. It's currently 8:43 p.m. right now as I'm speaking. It's December 17, 2024, by the way. All right. So now let's look at the big picture. What's influencing stocks? I'll open up this. I just opened up the stock heat map again. And so let's talk about what's influencing stocks and crypto markets right now. So, like I said, the Federal Reserve meeting is influencing how these stocks and these cryptos are priced in at. Investors are anticipating a rate cut, which could inject optimism into the market. However, hawkish guidance could temper gains, particularly in interest rates sensitive sectors like technology, guys. And be aware, if they lower interest rates, guess what? These stocks right here are going to go up. Because when they lower interest rates, guess what that means? People will be more open to spending their money due to lower interest rates. So these finance stocks will get a good moon pop also. That's what I'm assuming. Now, tech sector volatility. Major tech stocks, including some market leaders, saw declines today. This has contributed to a broader market downturn, highlighting how sensitive tech is to the macroeconomic shifts. So, although tech is the main drive for the S&P 500, the economy overall, just be aware it's very sensitive to the economy. Crypto speculation. In the crypto world, Bitcoin is the world's largest crypto coin. The volatility is crazy, and it's amplified. It's amplified as governments worldwide explore how to manage decentralized currencies. This uncertainty creates both risks and opportunities for investors. So now, what does this mean for investors? Someone like you, someone watching this video, what does this mean for you? So if you're an investor, if you're investing in stocks, diversification is key. Spreading your portfolio across sectors, including ETFs, is important, guys. And this can help you whether the market has crazy volatility or no volatility at all. The last thing you want to do is be in a situation where you have literally full ported all your income on something, and for the most part it just plateaus. By the way, that is possible. That is possible, guys. If you get it's crazy how stocks really work. Just look at some of these heat maps, guys. Look at some of these heat maps. You guys see how Bitcoin is moving? Like, well, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, but you guys see how it could be up one day and then literally about 5 or 6 days later it's down. Look at that. This is December 5th, and then on December 10th, look at where it's at. It was at 101,000, and then it went back down to 94K. Insane. For cryptocurrencies, investors have to be cautious. Use only funds you're willing to lose and focus on projects with strong fundamentals like Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. Timing the market is tough, so consider a dollar cost averaging strategy to manage risks. Now, always be sure to stay informed, whether it's the Fed's next move or the latest crypto developments. Stay up to date Staying up to date will give you an edge. Remember, market sentiment can shift rapidly, so stay disciplined. This is vital. All right, now I'm going to wrap up the video by letting you guys know that both the stock and crypto markets are offering exciting opportunities, but they come with shares of risks. As always, do your research, stick to an investment plan, and don't let any emotions drive your decisions. That is important, guys, because if you invest in a stock like Nvidia, the largest company in the world, and look at the current price right now. The current price is 130.39. But look at their all-time highs. If you invest in a big company like Nvidia, you full port this, and then the stock looks like it's falling down, you got to make sure you watch your emotions. You avoid thinking too deep on it. Look at where the stock was at 152. Now it's at one. It was at 127 yesterday, like last week or yesterday. That's a crazy move to the downside, guys. That you guys know how much money that is? That's billions of dollars right there, guys. That's billions of dollars. So be sure to keep your emotions in check. You don't want that to be your decision maker when you invest. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, drop your thoughts in the comments. What are your strategies for investing in this unpredictable market? Until next time, happy investing. If you enjoyed this video, I promise you will love my next videos. So be sure to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. All right, take care.